Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold Xauusd. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart, hourly chart of gold in front of us, and gold is standing at 2370 right now. To be honest, I was not in the right mood to make this video or record this video because gold has been so unpredictable for the last few days and weeks. Okay. And then I thought that, okay, thousands of people watch me every day. So if I do not make a video, okay, then there may be many people, okay, who won't be able to understand the market and they may lose their money. So I thought that, oh, I should make a video, and here I am. Okay. So let's try to understand what is going on in gold and how to make some money in this type of market condition. But before I proceed with the chart, I would like to mention one thing, and that is that trading has become difficult these days. Okay. As I have been trading for a long time, so I understood one thing very well, that flexibility is important. So yes, I'm flexible enough right now, okay, with my trading trade setups. Okay, that's why, okay, I'm able to survive. But I personally feel that in the next few years, it will be much more difficult for retail traders to survive in the market, because if we compare the charts 10 years ago, okay, or 15 years ago, okay, you will see the charts were much more clean. Okay, you used to get beautiful swings where swing trading was possible. Okay, you can take a position and you can sit on a position for next 3 to 4 days. Okay, you can ride the trend of the market. But these days things have become very difficult. Why? Because AI, okay, artificial intelligence is everywhere. Algos, okay, they are everywhere, and at each and every price level, okay, thousands of orders gets punched in, and they are so fast. These algos are so fast, and they also do not have emotions. Okay, so they are just beating humans, you can say, because we humans have emotions. We think a lot, then we do the calculation. Okay, and by the time we do our math, the algo has entered and already exited. Okay, that's why things are really difficult to understand these days. And this is one of the major reason, okay, why I always talk about 40 pips, because all these years I have understood one thing very well, that okay, I'm good with levels. Or when market, I see that when market comes to a level, okay, at least I could score 30 to 40 pips. I don't know what will happen in the next candle, but at least I was observing that when market came to my level, at least I was getting a minor bounce of 40 50 pips, and that was enough for me. Okay, because those days are gone where market is to come to support, market is to bounce, market is to go to resistance, market is to reverse. Those days are gone. Okay, I don't think so. Okay, those days will ever come back again. So right now, as a retail trader, it is your duty to learn to survive in the market. Okay, so if you want to make money in the market, you need to become a survivor first, then only you can expect to make money. Sorry for taking so much time. Okay, so let's get started. So we had some resistance around 2355, 2360 area, and market broke the level gracefully. And if you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold rises above 2360. Gold rose above 2360 per ounce on Thursday after a recent US economic data reinforced bets that the Fed has room for rate cuts this year. ADP data showed that US private payrolls rose less than anticipated in May, and the previous month's data was revised downward, indicating a softening but healthy labor market. So this is the ongoing market sentiment, and we can expect further upside on the chart of gold. Okay. And if we look at the contracts data also, okay, I will not show here because I do not want to confuse you. But I was looking at the contracts data and I saw that yes, we do have room for further upside. At least we can expect a market to go and hit 2400. If not a complete trend reversal, at least, okay, you can expect some sort of resistance around this area. Okay, maybe market will hit 2400, then market will come down a little, market will form some few red candles, okay, and then market will break again. Okay, but right now there is a high chance that gold will be heading towards 2400. So let's discuss the trading opportunities one by one. So the market sentiment has changed right now. Okay, the market sentiment has changed, and obviously, okay, we need to respect the trend of the market because nobody in the world can predict the top and bottom of the market. So if you want to survive in the market, you need to learn how to go with the flow. So here right now, the flow is towards the upside. So we need to look for buy positions at support, and buy at support seems to be okay safer trading strategy right now. Okay, so the first level that we have that for buy at support is around 2350. 2352. This is the first level where we can look for a buy at support. Okay, why? Because 2350, you must be knowing it's a round number, psychological level, plus we have some support around 2350 previously. If we draw FIBO, we can see we also have FIBO 38.2% retracement level, and you can see the previous resistance will also be acting as support here. So 2350, 2351 area seems to be a good level during the day, especially before the US session. We can expect a bounce around this. Why before the US session? Because if we go to economy calendar, you can see we have a news coming up. It's not a big event like NFP, which is coming tomorrow, but yes, it may bring some volatility, and you must be knowing market has been crazy. Don't try to predict the market, so be careful. So before US session, okay, if market comes on, you can expect some sort of support around this area. If you see market taking support, showing price rejection from below, hit the buy button. And you can also look for support around 2361. You can see around 2361 we have FIBO 23.6% retracement level. Okay, 2361. If market hits the 2361 level, just wait for 30 seconds, 45 seconds or 1 minute just to see the market behavior. If you see market is showing price rejection from below, it's good enough. With 40 pips stop loss, hit the buy button for 40 pips TP. Okay, so these are the two levels that we can expect the market to take support and bounce. And then we also have a good support around 2340 area, but those levels are far away, so I don't think so there is any need to talk about the level right now. And at this moment market is showing signs of correction. Okay, so if market breaks 2375, we can also consider it as a breakout. For example, after 2-3 hours, if you see that there is a sudden buying power in the market, okay, then you can easily look for a buy at breakout, which is above 2375. But as we always discuss, the buy at retracement is always a better and safer trading strategy. So always try to buy at retracement. 235052 seems to be a good level, but if market doesn't come to 235052 area, you can also look for support around 2361 as well. And if market doesn't come for retracement, then obviously you can look for buy at breakout above 2375. But whatever you do, please follow strict risk management because market has been dicey, market has been crazy, market pagal ho gaya hai. So risk management zarur follow kijiyega. Go with, do not become a poker player right now. Okay. And if you're wondering about resistance, then obviously, okay, in this market condition, okay, where the more or less the market sentiment is bullish, I don't think so we have a resistance. But still, you can expect some psychological resistance around 2400. If you are a scalper, daredevil kind of a trader, you can look for a quick sell for 40 to 70-80 pips around 2400. But try to be on the buy side only. But yes, 2400 is a resistance. Resistance doesn't mean you'll have to sell. Okay. And the second resistance is around, you can already see that I have drawn a line, which is around 2422. Okay, which is around 2422. Why 2422 here? Okay, you can see this is the level from where market started falling. Okay, this is the level from where market started falling. So obviously there will be some sellers around this area. So if market goes up also, day traders can expect some sort of selling around this area. And market may remain crazy till, obviously the market is always crazy, but still, okay, it may remain crazy like this. So be careful. And tomorrow is NFP. Okay, and it will be a major day for all of us. So let's wait and watch. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care and be careful. Okay, do not trade blindly. As I always say, we are traders, not gamblers. Do not think that Avilas has said, so let's go and no, but it doesn't happen like that. See, always keep in mind, it's your hard earned money. It's your hard earned money. You need to protect it. Okay, bye bye, take care.